Hey, what's up, team? It's Navarro, head trader Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Tuesday, September 12th, 2023. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and break down the SPY and the swing trades from yesterday, guys. So, before we get started, let me just start with this disclaimer. I'm not telling you what to buy, what to sell. This is simply for entertainment and educational purposes only, so you trade at your own risk. Now, let's go ahead and get started and break down the SPY, guys, and we'll go ahead and break down the massive swing trades that we have from yesterday and take it from there. So we have the 1 year, 1 day chart here in the SPY. And just so you know, tomorrow morning we do have the CPI report coming out before market opens. So we'll see how that report affects the market and where we go from there, right? So there's ways to trade the market. We can make money whether it goes up, whether it goes down. So don't be worried about what the inflation data is going to say. We're going to make money off the pattern, off the charts, right? So with that said, let's go ahead and break this down. So right now we did come back to test that 21 EMA, as you all can see. All right, so from here, what do? Well, first of all, we gotta wait for the open, see what's gonna happen at the CPI report when it comes out, and whether it's gonna, affect the market in either direction. But we do have some info here that we can go based off of this, right? So first of all, we did have this sell off. Then we got a 3 day bull run, right? We had this little bull run, so we do have a little bit of an upper trend line here. We have a bit of an lower trend line here. We have it from down here as well. So what can we expect? Well, again, when this CPI reports come out, they tend to move the market significantly in both directions as it's coming out. You're gonna see violent swings similar to this, but they're gonna happen within a minute. They're gonna be massively strong, right? 1 minute they're up, the next minute it's down. It's just a lot of volatility. So, if you're not a good trader yet, if you are not fast enough, then just make sure that you stay away from all that volatility. Let the market settle, let it pick that direction, and then we trade with the market. All right, so stop trying to fight it. Just let it be, let it pick a direction, and then we'll look for the levels, we'll look for the trend, we'll look for any type of pattern that the market gives us, and we'll trade that, guys. So again, just be patient. So today I did not trade the SPY. I've been busy in the morning. So tomorrow I will be busy. Thursday I will be busy. But I'll be back in the afternoon sessions. So hopefully we can get some trades in. Again, this was a really good day because they had really nice moves up and down. We could have made tons of money here. Again, I was not trading it, but in any regards, hopefully some of you did. And if you did, I hope that all your trades were green. So let's go ahead and go and break down yesterday's swing trade. So we did talk about GM. So we bought it here at this level, came back down a little bit, but I told you guys this is ready to pop. It's just setting up. And then boom, look at this. These are 5-minute candles, guys. 5, 10, 15 minutes. I was out. Majority of my position here, I was out. Final take right there. Why was I out there? Because I told you in yesterday's video. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't seen it. It's on my YouTube channel. But if we go here to the 180, 4 hour time frame, you can see that I told you here that we have this channel here where there's this gap, and it was gonna try to come up here and form this right now, this channel where it's resistance, right? So it came there, it touched it did not need to get in there. So for me to take profits, I knew it was going to be resistance, like I mentioned in the last video. And I was out, guys. I was out. I did not hold through all that volatility. We go back here, this was a massive pullback. I could have been red back again here, even though my entry was down here. That's the way options work. So you got to make sure that you take profits when you have profits, and then let it do whatever it does. You just walk away. Don't trade it again. Walk away. Do something else. Go enjoy your win, and go enjoy the rest of your day, I guess. Now on the next one, we traded RIVN. This was not such a big mover, but it, as far as the pattern goes, but it was a big mover in the options. All right. So again, this one yesterday I called it out right when it broke that high. Called it out here. I entered right there at 75 cents. I took profits right up here, and then I re-entered somewhere here. I don't remember this consolidation right below it at 75 cents again. So I regained my entry again. I like the setup, and then of course today it just ripped. I took profits again right there in the zone as I spoke about in yesterday's video. If we go to the 4-hour chart, I told you why I wanted to take profits there. We had this zone here, and then you can see right below it, you have all these support levels, right? Previous support levels now turn resistance, so it just got there and then got rejected back. So I'm glad I did. Again, you gotta make sure you take profits when you have them. So this week so far, we've had GM, massive trade. We've had our IBN, another great trade. We had UBER, Uber. All right, we traded it down here at the bottom, right? We entered, I believe, here, right there at the open, and we sold it right there, guys. And now it's coming back down. And also PLTR, same idea here. We bought it right here at, actually right there at 1520. We sold the following day in our zone right up here, guys. So massive trades, great trading, perfect entries, perfect exits so far. So let's just keep it going, guys. That's all I have for you today. Hopefully tomorrow you all get some good trades in. Again, I will be out in the morning for the next couple of days. I'll be back in the afternoon sessions. We'll see you then. Have a good one.